Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the NET SDK and VS Code are installed. That gives you runtime and editor. Once done, open a terminal and create a project with .NET New Console to set up folders and csproj. Then open the folder in VS Code so the workspace loads. Make sure the chash extension is enabled. It provides language services and debugging. Finally, restore packages automatically with .NET Restore or by letting the editor prompt. This prepares compilation and IntelliSense for the next steps. Now you write and iterate on code. Open program. CS and make a small change, then run .NET Run to compile and execute quickly. This cycles code, build, run. For debugging, set breakpoints and launch the VS Code debugger. Choose NET Core Launch or Auto-Detected Configuration. If you need libraries, add them with .NET Add Package and then .NET Restore. Use the Problems panel and output logs to see build errors. Fixing errors early keeps workflow smooth and tests passing as you develop. Finish by building a release artifact and publishing it to a folder with .NET Publish so you can deploy or test the binary. Once published, run the output directly on the target environment to confirm dependencies. If something fails, check the path and .NET info to detect SDK version mismatches. Ensure the runtime is installed on the host. Also open the Omni Sharp log in VS Code for language server errors. Restarting the editor or reinstalling the chash extension often resolves stale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.